morning, guys. So I'm just done filming my video and it's just 9 it's 9:54 a.m. and yeah, I'm importing it to see, and if I didn't like the video, I think I'm going to refilm it again tomorrow or maybe today if I have time. So yeah, and I think it's already imported. Oh, it's still importing. So continue. Oh, look at that. Let's just watch a video.
Hey guys, it's Grace, and I'm about to have a video, and today's video is gonna be yeah, you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. Playing with the strong hits, yeah.
We're eating a food. So we're done eating right now. Are you full? No. Okay, so yeah. This is okay, guys. So I'm just here, sitting here, and I'm vlogging. People are really staring at me, so yeah. Okay, so I'm scared. She doesn't know I filmed that, so yeah. And yeah, I think we're going grocery shopping later. In the end. We won't. Well, yeah, I'll see you later. Woo! There's people. Hello, are you? She's filming her My Diary, her new series. In my vlog channel. Yeah, it's called My Vlog. Instead of this one's cool. It's like film me. Okay, so look at these plants. Dito. No, here. This one's soft. This one's soft. Is it soft? Behind the scenes of her blog. Ooh, I like that. I like the pink shelves. It looks so pretty. And yeah. It is just the cutest thing ever. So cute. And this one, they're having. Yeah. Oh my gosh, so much cuteness. Okay, so this is where I put. This is the laundry room. Oh, this one is a cool laundry room. This is my post. Then we have the freezer here. Whoa, that's cool freezer. Look at the freezer, so big. Hey, let's have our show. So this is where we have our show. And this is the continue. This one is cool. This has a chimney. Hello, I'm vlogging today. So yeah, let's go. Hello, myself. How are you doing? That's so weird of me. I'm so weird. But the only place I can vlog like this is in IKEA. Like what? Because when people in the mall, I'm like, there's that one here. But here, I can just do whatever. I don't usually pull this because I feel like I'm going to break it. So yeah, anyone has this feeling too? I feel like my vlogs on IKEA are getting so repetitive. Oh, this one is school study desk. This one is school study desk. It's white and clean. But there's only one chair. This one is cool. Cute. Oh, please. Oh, this one. This one. It's full of white and stuff, but it's too big. So yeah. Oh, look at the clock. Oh, look at the TV. Oh, I want one of those. It looks so humble. So yeah. My vlogs are so repetitive in IKEA. So yeah. Ooh, it's a cork for this pool. Oh, I really want to have a bed. This one, is it soft? No, not that much. This one are the beds. I really want to get one, but you know, I'm still not fully developed empty. This one's cool, but it doesn't have like, I feel like I don't like it. Ooh, this one is a cool bed. Nah. Oh, I don't know if I feel comfy. And then again for me. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yeah. This is my favorite room. It has a lot of lights. When you open this one, I think this one is because the lights. I really want to have a closet like that. Oh, this one opens to a mirror. Hey guys, so this is my room. Okay, this one is too. So I don't like it. This one's pretty. The lighting is kind of off here. Or maybe it's just my brightness. So yeah. Cool. Cool bed. Cool bed. Cool. This was cool. Study desk. Does this mirror light up? No. Oh yeah. No? Yeah, sure. This is how much you need space to open the door. Huge one. Hey, you know your vlog. Ito yung email dati o yung torture. Hey guys, so we just got home now and yeah, we're in our pajamas. We just bought some snacks and yeah.
Which is so yummy.
Yeah.
It's our
And
childhood.
yeah, bye guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye.